Hi sir, my name is Jeremy Spineda from BSIT 2K. I'm here to explain what is I explain the query and its process. A query in the context of computing is a structured request for information from database or other data sources. It's essentially a question posed in a language the system understands, allowing for the retrieval of specific database on predefined criteria. These criteria can range from simple equality checks to complex logical combinations and join across multiple tables. Database query languages like SQL are specifically designed for this purpose, enabling users to efficiently extract relevant information from large data sets. The result of a query is a subset of the data that satisfies the specified conditions. Beyond databases, queries are also used in contexts such as web searches and graph databases, traverse relationship between nodes. However, a while process on the other hand is an active instance of a computer program in execution. It's a dynamic entity that occupies system resources like memory and CPU time. Processes are managed by operating system which handles scheduling, resource allocation, and inter-process communication. A single program can have multiple processes running concurrently, and each process has its own memory space and execution context. Processes can perform a wide variety of tasks from simple calculation to complex simulations. They are fundamental to how computer systems operate, enabling the execution of program and management of resources. The interaction between queries and processes is often seen in applications where a user submits a query, triggering a process that executes the query against a database and returns the results to the user. That's all, sir. Thank you, sir.